Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today I have my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box and I am so excited to get in here and explain this, so let's do it. So the box is blue this month because I have gone past 6 months, and every 6 months you not only get your monthly box, but you get a replenishment of all of the essentials that they keep you stocked up with, the little bottles, the things I usually have here that I can't have here because of my giveaway. That's what's in this blue box. So in theory, they're both in here. So let's open it up and check it out. Simply Earth is a $39 per month essential oil box, but it's an essential oil recipe box because you get 4 oils each month and you also get 6 recipe cards, and they send you some of the goodies that you need, most of the goodies that you need to make the recipes with. Plus, when you sign up the first month, you get this blue box, which let me open it and show you. When you open it up, it has your box, and this is our monthly box right on top. So this is my March monthly box. And then underneath, you have goodies that you will need to help make all of the recipes that they give you. Like you have beeswax and coconut oil that is the hard coconut oil. I needed a refill of that. You get 6 each of the roll-on bottles. And this is just the bonus box. This is just something that they send you every 6 months if you stay enrolled, just so that you have what you need to make the recipes. You also receive 6 5 ml bottles in case like you get something that you want to mix to make diffusions with or anything else like that. You receive the almond oil that you can use because whenever, and I'll say it now, like I always do in my oil videos, whenever you're going to apply an oil to your body, you want to use a carrier oil because you need about a teaspoon of this. Any kind of carrier oil. You can use this, jojoba oil. You can use, they also give you a fractionated coconut oil, and all that means is it stays wet. Any kind of oil, and it takes just a couple of drops of the oil and you have plenty. It takes so little. Essential oils are so strong, so it lasts such a long time. But this bonus box you get every 6 months if you stay enrolled. So let's get into the March box and see what we have. Like I said, we'll have 4 oils, 6 recipe cards, and then other things we need to make the recipes. So here's our cards on top, and those are our oils, and that's our bonus goodies. Also, for when you make your recipes, they send you these stickers so that you can apply like to the bottles. If you make some kind of roll-on, you can apply a sticker, or if you make something and you stick it in like a little mason jar, which just for the record, when I started this, I already had little mason jars, but that would be a great thing to pick up at like Walmart. They're next to nothing to mix all your goodies in and save them. And you can apply these and you'll always know what your recipe is. So let's get right in here and see what our March goodies are. First, we have cypress. And something else I always say, that's what that looks like, is be aware, not all oils are safe to use around pets or small children. I mean, as a rule, you can diffuse them around children, but there are some that pets are not supposed to come in contact with. So be sure and check it out. There are PDFs of that all over on Google. And the origin of this is in Crete, and it's made from the leaves. Let's see what cypress smells like. Oh, it's very nice. Kind of piney, but a little brighter than that. It smells very good. And we also received, this is called Energy. So it's going to be a blend. Let me tell you that it is a blend of eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint essential oils. That's going to be fantastic, I bet. I used to make my own blends back when I used to buy a lot of doTERRA, and the pricing in this, so much better. It's incredible. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, that is so fresh. Wow, that smells fantastic. You can smell the eucalyptus and the lemon. It smells so good. Last month, in this $39 box, we got frankincense. And frankincense is an oil that, as a rule, costs $75, $100. It is a really pricey oil, so for it to have been in the box was amazing. We also have orange. Let's see what that smells like. I'm suspecting it smells like orange. Oh my goodness, it does. It smells like somebody's sitting right here next to me just peeling oranges. It's even made, I don't know if it'll come across, it's so real that it's even made the lid, the plastic interior lid, a little orange. And our last oil is patchouli. I know that patchouli is one of those things that people fall on one side of or the other. As a rule, you love it or you hate it. There's not a lot of middle of the road with patchouli. I love it. I just do. Oh, I still do. It's a very strong smell, kind of earthy, but when you blend it, I just love what it brings. I love when I see the notes of a perfume and like one of the bottom notes is patchouli, because that's what gives it a little bit of that musk. Okay, so those are our 4 oils. Again, and I should have said this earlier, with your first order, you also get this entire bonus box, the bottles and the oils and everything that I showed you from that were in this blue box. You get that also on your first month. And you also receive with your first order, if you use my link and my code below, which is just KathrinFree, you also get a $40 gift card that you can apply toward your next purchase. So in theory, you could apply it toward the next month's purchase. So for $39, you get this monthly box, you get this bonus box, and you get a $40 gift card. I'll put the link below. And like I said, my code is KathrinFree. If this is something that appeals to you, it is such a great deal. I personally love making the recipes. I use so many things on my body that while not necessarily toxic, there are a lot of chemicals and that kind of thing in it. And I just love being able to make things for myself and for my home that are toxin free. I just love what that adds, which is why I got into oils years ago. And also, all of the oils are 100% aromatherapist certified pure oils. And as you'll see with what we're getting ready to go through, and if you have an interest, you should go back and look at some of my other boxes. They do a theme each month, like the Christmas one was amazing. And then January was all about health and wellness. And February was all about love, and it had rose in it. Each month they do a theme, and it's always fantastic. So let's see what this month's is. So our first recipe is the DIY reed diffuser. And with that, we take 5 reeds, and you're thinking, where are you getting the reeds? Right here in the box, they've given us the little reeds. I'm telling you, this is what I'm telling you. So you take your 5 reeds, 2 tablespoons of vodka, but they do say at the bottom, if you don't have that around, you can switch it with witch hazel or rubbing alcohol. Just so you know. Okay, and then you also use 25 drops of essential oils, some distilled water, and a small narrow-necked jar. You can pick anything. They've given you the reeds, and you can pick any of these scents. Like right now, how great would it be for the orange scent to be wafting through your home? And you just take these and you put them in a little narrow-necked, that is a tongue twister for me, a little narrow-necked jar, and it will just, you know what it's like? It's like this one that you might have seen me undo from my, I can't get to it because of my giveaway, but you can see the reed sticking out up top. That was in my Bombay and Cedar. Same thing, but you're making your own. And you could use a little vase or an old if you had an old candle jar around, anything you wanted. Just pop them in there with some of the oils. Fantastic. Next we have, anxiety relief inhaler. Yeah, I am all about that. You use the orange, a drop of the energy, and the aroma inhaler. And this is the aroma inhaler. So they've given it to you. And it tells you how to make it, how to put it in here, and then how to use it. I love these recipe cards. It's okay to grieve diffuser blend. That is really nice. So you just take 2 drops of the cypress, 2 drops of the orange, and 1 drop of the patchouli, and you put it in your diffuser with water, however your diffuser works. And like I've said in the past, if you like any of the diffuser blends, you have these little 5 ml bottles. You can make up a bunch of it, label it, and then you'll have it ready for the next time you want to use it. Persevere Roll-On. Who doesn't need to persevere? This takes the energy, the cypress, you use the fractionated coconut oil that comes in your blue box, and a 10 ml roller, which also comes in your blue box. And you just make a roll-on for yourself. Creative Zone Diffuser Blend. So we have another diffuser. The diffuser blends, I have to admit, are my favorites because I love to diffuse. I love candles, don't get me wrong. I use the Bath & Body Works candles like they pay me in candles. And they don't. I wish they did. A person should work that out. I digress. But I don't always want to be burning candles because that's not a natural scent, and essential oils are natural, so I'd much rather be putting them in the air. And this is the cypress, the orange, and the energy, and it tells you how many drops of each. And again, if you do this in your diffuser and you like the blend, you could use those ratios and make up a big 5 ml bottle of it. And last but not least, we have bonus diffuser recipes. So we are diffusing in the month of March. I guess that's probably their theme, and I am all about it. There's Whimsy diffuser blend, which is 3 drops of the orange and 2 drops of the patchouli. And I have to tell you, I'm going downstairs and do that as soon as we are done taping here. And then there is the Joy diffuser blend, which is the energy, the cypress, the patchouli, and the orange. These all sound so good. I've just looked in my box, and I have these lava rock beads. They are natural diffuser, 100% pure. Let me read back through these cards real quickly and see where they wanted us to use those. Okay, I can't find what we're doing with these lava rock beads anywhere in this, and I am seriously intrigued. So I'm going to go further and look through all my Simply Earth emails and that kind of thing I've gotten in the last month, and I will put I'll put it in a comment, because I feel like you guys look at the comments more than the description. I will put in the comment below if I can find what we're doing with these, because I just love the way those look. And I don't know if we're just putting oil on them and setting them in something in a room and they just release the oil. I love the idea of that. Also, when I was telling you that if you liked a diffusing blend, you could put it in the 5 ml jar and make a bunch of it. I just noticed at the bottom of all of these recipe cards, they say, if you like it and you want to make they call it a master blend, which is what I will call it from now on. They tell you for the 5 ml bottles that you need 16 drops of the cypress, 50 drops of the orange, 33 drops of the energy blend. So they help you with the math on each of these diffusers if you want to do a 5 ml bottle of it. I love it. Okay, so that is my Simply Earth box for March, and I am so pleased with it. I love the scents that we got this month. They are so powerful, and they're full of energy and anti-anxiety, which I think we all need that energy as we're going forward into spring. I got my bonus box, so I have more of the bottles to make my diffuser blends, my master blends in now. And I love that we get the little stickers that we can put on the things that we make. Like over here, it says energy blend or cypress, and you can just put it on the top, so that as I looked down into the box that I keep my oils in, I could see right from the top what it was. But they have the, like, it's okay to grieve. So if you take one of these little bottles and you make it, you can put it right on the lid, and you get the recipe cards, and I just love it. So let me look further into what we're doing with these lava rocks, because that seems very intriguing to me. If I have gone through way too much information, if you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I am happy to help with anything that I can. I love essential oils, so when they reached out to me, they do send me these boxes for free. If I did not like them, you would be the first to know. If there was a scent I didn't like, you would also be the first to know. I will always, regardless of who sends me what, be honest with you guys. Know that first. But I do love these. And like I said, I have done oils for years. I had a girlfriend that got into them, so of course we all got into them. I have a huge doTERRA box full of oils and still love these because I use so many of them. I love making my own products. Again, if you have any questions, let me know below. It is $39 per month. With your first box, you will get this bonus box that comes with the extra oils and the bottles. You will also get a $40 card that you can use toward your next purchase, which I think is amazing. I will put the link below, and my code, which is just KathrinFree. If you use that, you get all of those goodies. I get so excited. I'm always afraid I'm going to forget something. I need to use that anxiety blend or something. Oh, okay. Have a great weekend, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.